Spirit Hunter NG. Wow, that was so
Are
bad.
you looking at the camera?
Yeah, why are we not?
No, I'll do it again.
No, it's okay. Alright. Put it over there. Oh.
Not welcome back.
Oh wow, someone's. Oh, you wanna try the fox?
Oh.
You wanna try the pheasant?
Okay. Oh, I didn't take my glasses off, but yeah.
Yeah, I'm like,
can
what?
see.
Something appeared inside the secret passageway.
A
Random
ladder.
stairs. A ladder. Or is that a step ladder?
Finally appeared. The final act is upon us.
That's the Phoenix right, Jack.
Oh.
Dangerous vibe. It's you.
Oh, sorry.
No,
Dangerous vibe.
No, it was me, but I'm saying that's you. Like, you have a dangerous
Oh.
vibe. You better be prepared for anything. We're gonna climb it.
What makes me dangerous?
Rage and domination.
Oh. Climb it.
Yeah, you really had the.
Don't go.
No, you really had the. Your Instagram post.
Mm.
I gave you 2 of those. Or no, I gave you the watch, and you were wearing the 6 maple earrings there.
Yeah. Oh. That's what Six Maple is.
Yeah, it's the guy. It's the store you bought it from.
Oh, now I get it.
At least said that to you, and you were like, I don't get it.
Yeah, because they never advertised what their name was, right?
No, that was there.
Oh, when I bought it, I didn't know who they were.
Yeah, it's called 6 maple.
Okay.
And you're like, I'm like, the earrings. Yeah, so you're like, I don't get it.
I didn't.
Or yeah, I was like, the earrings that you know, like you're like, what? You're like, which ones? You're like, these are from Walmart. I'm like the ones with the star and the point.
But you said that?
Yeah,
No,
you're like,
you said the ones that I usually wear.
no, I didn't. I said the ones with the star and the point.
Hmm.
And you're like, Christian, I don't get it. It's too late. It's too late. I'll try again next time.
I got it now. Just wait 2 days.
Yeah, it's like Amazon Prime. All right, it's exactly as we figured. The vast attic fills our vision.
Wonder what's behind the sliding door.
Yeah, let's be careful.
What do you think's behind there?
I don't know, but we're gonna hit a dastardly save. Can we look at some of these? Yeah. Wow, it's like your bikes. Somehow it's not dirty or covered. Oh. Well,
No time like the present.
no time like the past. I quietly edge over the sliding door, and as I extend my hand to open it, jump scare. Is that the woman's?
It's a crane. Don't look inside.
I thought it was just a woman's torso hanging by like threads. An odd figure appears as we hear the voice.
Maybe it is. Is this
I don't think so.
the screaming author?
Remember when you two actually gaslit me into thinking our friend's tattoo was real? I remember that.
It is real. You're still in denial?
You're actually a top 10 gaslighters of all time.
Wait, he just said it was real.
Stop.
No, it's real.
Stop. Yo, you play the game.
It's real.
Play the game.
It's real.
Yo, actually, I'm not even reading the text. I don't care anymore. I forcefully opened the door. Okay, that's what he means.
Oh. Just fell? There's nothing here.
I literally called him and I was like, "Show me your fake tattoo." He's like, "Oh, this one?" And you guys are like, "It's real. It's real."
It's real.
Stop.
He has fake ones and he has a real one.
No, it's not.
What?
Stop. Just play the game.
You brought it up. Okay.
You're so annoying, bro.
No, actually though, I think it's real.
No, it's not real. He
It's
said
not
it.
real?
He literally said it in the chat.
What? In the chat he said it was real.
I'm not playing on my phone for this. Stop.
I feel like you're gaslighting me now.
Oh my god. Yo, keep going. Out of the game. Keep going.
Okay. Oh, we have to do stuff. What's carbon paper? Copying paper. Copy words.
Yeah, I don't even understand anymore. I read that chat. I was like, are you gaslighting me still?
He said it was real.
I thought he said it was fake. Because he
But
said,
you just read it now, right?
yeah.
And he said you thought it was fake, which implies that it's real.
I thought it was like, you guys thought the tattoo was fake. Because it is. Am I?
No, you guys thought the tattoo was fake implies that it is real, but we thought it was fake, right?
Is it real, bro? I'm gonna. I just need. I
swear
want to see
it's
this guy.
real.
I'm gonna actually scrub it off.
It won't scrub off though. I feel
I'm
like
gonna use a metal sponge.
just ask him.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit him with the screaming author. I'm gonna take his whole arm.
Just ask him. Maybe he took a video of it. We gotta find a key to open that chest over there.
When did this guy get a random tattoo of this? He literally got a tattoo of this
He did.
for no reason.
Actually, it looks more like this one.
No, it isn't, because it's Fox.
But the eyes, I feel like. Where are we gonna find a key? We have to go downstairs
Why do we need a key?
to open this thing.
Like, her whole thing is lockpicking and she can't even open it. Did you look in the mirror?
Yeah, it's nothing.
And the blood stain?
Yeah.
And bloodmetry?
Oh no, I didn't.
Alright, bloodmetry. Bro, when did he even get that? I feel like I've been lied to like 3 times now.
See, I was surprised too.
I've seen that multiple times. I thought it was fake. What? Was that a useless bloodmetry? Did you examine it like with A?
Yeah. Yeah.
And the window?
I can't examine the window.
You can't? So it's only those?
Yeah. I think we have to go back downstairs.
Okay, can you look at it? Oh. Yeah, that works too.
Nothing in the walls.
Okay, go to the room on the left. Like, go back and then go left.
Okay.
Can you go up the cabinet? Fuck. Alright.
Maybe outside?
Not another. Oh, wait. Actually, let me write down the time first.
Oh, it's been a while. Oh, hey, look, there's stuff here now. Typewriter. No on Gacy.
Wait, what is that? What is that? Anagram?
Blank, no on Gacy. Looks like we must fill in the blank. It may be a reference to that crane fairy tale. So something fairy tale related that would complete blank, no on Gacy. We have to fill it in.
Hana I. Oh yeah, so those are the names. Okay.
So he uses the names of people he's kidnapped for his stories?
Yeah.
Sati.
That. There you go.
Sarukani.
Are you not reading it? You have to read it.
Oh.
Oh my god!
I'm not familiar with Moroku's works, but maybe the Sati bit would mean something to fans.
Okay. Wait, so what do we have to do?
We're looking for that key.
I don't know, because you weren't reading it out loud.
Oh, okay. Well, we need to find a key for that chest, and we need to fill in a blank, or like blank, no on Gacy. I'm not sure how we can fill in the blank though. We must fill in the blank reference to the crane fairy tale.
Okay, I'm done. I just picked a random item. Here. Carbon paper. Can we use this carbon paper? Rosie carefully examines the typewriter.
Looks like it'll work. I'm sure you'll at least be able to type a few letters.
I put the carbon paper in the typewriter to take the place of the ink ribbon. Carbon paper used. Okay.
Do A again?
Oh, you wanna do it right now? Okay, wait. I feel like we have one shot to save this this woman.
Well, I just want to see if you...
Actually, no, I don't care if she dies, to be honest. Oh.
Because we use the carbon paper, but... So we just use it? What does that mean?
Oh, I tried my best.
When did we get shoes?
Well, they're ballerina shoes.
It's been used for something it wasn't intended for. Wait, I don't get what happened to the carbon paper. We just stuck it in the typewriter, and we can't even type anything.
I think we have to fix the typewriter.
Probably stuff inside the chest.
Oh, so this is just... Okay, I see. This is the same too.
Hmm. Maybe check in the cabinet in the middle room again.
Okay, so there's the carbon papers there. Nothing there.
What about like outside? Mailbox? Window?
You know what? Come with me, Ben, bro.
You want Ben to brute force open the box?
Yeah, I do. Rose not helping me right now. Let's try here first. Reference to that crane story. What's the crane story?
Exactly. Do we know? This was only 2 days ago.
I don't know the crane story. Okay, here it come with this take out the bamboo charcoal. Can't do anything with that. You like cute socks? Spray paint? Is this yellow? Oh, so you spray paint the shoes? You like Okina masks? Like incense? How about stiff hair? Yeah, we don't have it. We have to go.
We have to find the key. I swear we looked everywhere.
You didn't swear enough. Did he even put that in the chat that he had that too?
Well, he sent a picture of his arm, I think. And they say it's a real tattoo.
Oh, they just say
So
that.
we really need just to find it?
Better off looking for the key.
Where is it? Use a sparkler.
Well, you can't even use it. And you tried Bloodmetry, right?
Yeah, but he can't see anything. Hmm.
Interesting. Wow, it's actually gonna be 2 hours because of this.
We don't know what we're supposed to do.
Speak for yourself.
Okay, what are we supposed to do? Are we gonna find a key?
Hello? Hmm. So it's gotta be here, because it's the only one you can, like, interact with, kinda.
Hmm.
What if I start, like, randomly playing tapes?
I guess it has something to do with
Okay,
a
wait,
typewriter.
let me read this again.
What is cyanuric acid? Will it be useful?
Yeah. So... Sitakiri, Hana, and Kobutori Ai. I'm guessing they referred to Sitakiri Suzume and Shu Kobutori Jisan. Oh, like those are the fairy tales? Okay. Okay. The rust on the keyboard actually seems like it could be dried blood. I'll give it a shot. There we go. I feel around a section of the keys that looks particularly dirty. That's cheap. That's some cheap stuff, man.
Wow.
Bloodmetry!
Clutch.
Here, there you go.
Cough, cough, ahem, cough.
I hear your mom. Yeah. I think I've heard this voice before.
Ooh.
This voice. Eventually the coughing stops and then... Is this Ami? No, I'm just kidding. In a firm voice, the voice says something. The translator actually is ESL. He has to be. He has to be like the pinnacle of ESL.
Engrave my fairy tale.
Because you're doing him, right? Or...
Yeah.
Just now, that was him. The voice of the man on the tape. Did you hear something? Engrave my fairy tale. That's what he said. As I speak the words, the typewriter begins to make sounds on its own.
It's a ghost.
Is he telling us to type it with this?
Ooh, now we can type.
Keys are completely rusted. I'm not even sure it'll work. But there's already a sheet of paper set into it, and I see a part of something typed on it. No ongaisi. A, B, S, T, U are the only working letters. So the word must only use those letters. Can I examine this? Oh.
Oh, it's probably Tubasa.
Oh, he just said that.
Oh.
Oh, like...
Like the name of the girl.
Yeah, yeah. Is that T?
Mm.
Good job. Good job.
It's
Tubasa. I feel it, all of it out. Whoa! The keyboard starts clattering on its own again. Even the keys that were stuck fast earlier are now smoothly typing into the paper. You know, this is like the room in the escape room.
The key's just gonna pop out.
You know, the bar? For the
Yeah.
typewriter.
We didn't even have to use a typewriter.
Whoa, I think this is what they refer to as psychography.
Ghost typing?
This game actually introduces me to new words that I've never seen before. We gawk at it as the paper fills with sentences, then rolls out of the typewriter. You pick up the paper and look it over. This is what was written on it. Let's see.
I failed with many of them in the past. However, I managed to save the 4th birdie. Though it is their role, all the birdies have lost all 4 limbs. It's truly saddening. The 4th birdie wails that it does not want to be seen and it wants to die. Truly a pity. I shall at least give her wings and transform her from a little birdie into a beautiful crane. If she became a crane, I'm sure it would show me utmost gratitude even if it died.
That's all that the typewriter writes. Hey, Binjayde. I'm shocked. Suddenly, Ban points to bed. Look at that.
Where did that get there?
What is that? When did it get that way? There's now a bulge in the bed that looks like someone is sleeping in it. Rose?
We have to peel it.
It's one sturdy bed. I wonder what caused those stains. The bed is bulging suspiciously. The bulge is about the size of a grown man lying down sideways. Smells like rotten food. Yeah. Is this the author?
Probably.
A powerful stench violates our noses.
How did he die?
That's such a funny. Violating my nose. Alright. Something has definitely gone bad here. I'm sure it's what's causing that bulge. Find out on the next episode. Alright, let me write down 46.